welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about the landlord Erica and Marcia. And, well, he's speaking about an issue that occurred. Well, allegedly, they're saying that the landlord Erica called the police on Lorraine. So it's a whole can of worm that it's been dug up. And so that is all over social media. And it's painting a bad image for the landlord Erica because now the police is involved and they're saying basically it's FBI. So, that's going to be a lot of investigation if that is so true. So we have to look out for that. And he's also speaking of Marcia about, Marcia asking for money. She was asking.
On the live stream right now, it has been alleged that Porty, landlord, called police on Lorraine and her people because they have been exposing her for some time now for her illicit scamming activity that has been exposed widely on social media. I did my part some time ago, but now her illicit activity has truly been open like a can of worms, and she's clearly upset now that we know how deep her activities go, right? Let's be real, she got up to 13 million. This woman has collected up to 13 million Jamaican dollars, and I'm sure all of you, whether you're Plank or wherever you're from, you know for a fact those people who was fed they did not get $30 million worth of food. We all know that to be true, right? So the question was, where did the rest of the money go? In bank accounts. Yeah. That woman, she's very upset. She's upset now that her activities has been exposed, like seriously, because, it's not good. It's the way she done it too. She used those poor people to line her coffers, knowing damn well those people was never going to benefit from all of that money. So that's where the problem started, and now she's getting exposed, and she's upset. So it has been alleged she's called police in America on people who's been doing this to her, who's been exposing her, and now they're talking about the police activities who called them, and we're hearing about it now. You guys get it? I hope I was helpful to explain to you guys what's happening. And if you didn't, go back to the front of the video. It will all make sense to you. It will make sense. That is a question for the donors. Absolutely. However, I am very sure I gave this woman money too. I gave her money too. So if I feel like I have all rights to speak on my monies that went up in smoke, knowing damn well she did not, do what she was supposed to do with that money. And I'm very sure Porty's she's not a good human being. She's not. And I don't care what none of you say. You guys can like her till God come. I'm gonna still say, even if I go to bed tonight and it's my last breath, on my last breath, I would say this woman is a thief, and I would not care. I know for a fact my conscience would be clear, and anything I'm saying about her, I can prove it. And I really do have proof that she's stolen a lot of money. Monies that was even given to her to feed those homeless people. She used that money to purchase vehicles. At no point, any money was given to her to purchase vehicles. No point at all. None of that money was given to her to purchase any kind of motor car, whatever. It was not. It was given to her for her to use to assist her in helping those homeless people. However, she still used money to buy a car. Where did it come from? Oh, and then she claims her children purchased a car. Her children, they don't like her. Their relationship is non-existent, her and her children. So I'm very sure she used the people's money, or our money, to purchase things to make her feel good about herself, as if to say she's doing something great. And it's not. It's not great. It's not. And anyone says it's great, then shame on you. Any one of you who says Erica did a great thing, shame on you. I promise you. God is never sleeping, and God don't like ugly. Whether you gave her that money and you don't care however she used it, the point still stands. She took that money under the notion she was going to use that money to help those homeless people, and not to feed herself. You know what I'm saying? It was not taken for her to buy cars per se or whatever. It was not. It was given to her to feed homeless people. Dwayne, you see what you say? Dwayne, no one is saying she did not do anything wrong, but not a damn police. Oh, thank you, Marcia. I respect your comment. I don't know whether police was called or not, hence why I'm saying it has been alleged. However, all of you know, whether you've given this woman money or not, you know full well this woman has done wrong by you and those people. So don't come on here and be enabling her bad habit, making her think she's done something amazing when she hasn't. It's not good. It's distasteful. It's heartless. It's inhumane, right? And that's how I see things. And Porty, I will always shout to the world and tell them that you are a thief, and may God have mercy on you. And I swear to God, pray to God, and ask God to forgive you for the wicked things you've done to people, especially those people you've used to line your pocket. It's you know the funny thing, if you wanted to beg for yourself, why not you could have done that. But no, you use those poor people. And I'm telling you, what you've done is one of the wickedest things a human being could do to people who's not in great position, less fortunate position. You understand? Let's be real. I know for a fact I'm not rich, but I'm not hungry, and I have a roof over my head. All of you in the live right now, you 3/4, all of you have a roof over your heads. Those people, a lot of them live on the streets. A lot of them have to sleep on the like wooden shacks. I don't know, but I'm saying the fact that she used those people to do all of this, I'm gonna say if any of you is condoning her bad behavior, I'm gonna pray for you, because you are not a good human being, and may God have mercy on you. May God have mercy on you too. That's it. I'm done with that whole segment. Let's contemplate, Lorraine, because I don't understand. I don't want to start eat up myself. I just don't. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Oh no, not what to pour with yourself. Yes, me have the hard copy of the receipt. Straight, John. Level, you know. Yeah. Go right ahead. Yeah, the girl never said start 100,000 pound plane, and the receipt them come to 100,000. So when she a grown car and a come run and a grown, and like she a tell, she just a mix up everything and a turn the people them head one way, cause she wanted the views and she wanted this and she wanted that. Nothing like that. The girl never got 100,000 US a year per plane. The receipt them come to 100,000. When you check out the receipt, them I got the receipt them come to. I got the platform holder, they say the receipt them come to. But nobody never said they bring down that per plane to her. She could offer she no maximally. She no maximally. You understand? She a grown kind of.
Kenny, you'd be surprised. A lot of people are actually defending her bad behavior, and I swear, you people, you are what I would say. You are very heartless, and you're not good human beings, basically. You're not. If you continue to defend this woman's bad character that she's shown to you, she was shown to every single one of us out here, all in the name of money, and using those poor people to line her pockets and her bank accounts. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna pray for you. I swear, I'm gonna pray for you, people. Porty, you need way more praise than a lot of people. But darling, I pray to God whenever it's time for judgment. I pray to God, God will actually forgive you. And I also hope that money will actually last you for the longest time. You know, I pray it will last you, because you know for a fact you will never be able to scam on that level ever again. You know this, right? You have messed up your entire little scheme thing you have going on here. Well, to be quite frank, big up High Grade. You know, funny thing I did to High Grade, when I heard about who was collecting the money in New York, I said this person is enabling your bad behavior. Knowing that when you was collecting 300,000+ monthly and you pretending like you wasn't getting money, right? Porty, may God have mercy on you. You are a heartless human being. I promise you. I pray whenever it's time for you to meet our Creator, you will ask Him to forgive you. And I pray He will forgive you too. Then God will forgive you. But you know, what you've done is not a good thing, and you know it too. And I hope that money will last you for the rest of your days on this earth. Understand? And I'm done for you now too. And I'm done for them too. Let's move on to credit. I'm done for this whole conversation, because every time I talk about it, it actually brings, like, you know, it rubs me the wrong way. It does. People, if you don't like curse words, get off the live now, because Curly's gonna go crazy. She's gonna go wild. Please like and share the live stream. Please like and share. It's guys, it's bear in mind, no one's giving me no stars. I'm not bothered. I like likes and I like shares. Is that too much to ask for? It's not, right? And it's who wanna like, who wanna share, just share, and that's it. I'm done. Let's talk about Curly now. And we're gonna start people on my page. She's gonna start people on my page. So brace yourselves, because she's about to go down. And then she's gonna broaden her horizon and go elsewhere too. Broaden your horizons.
Me just pass over Dwayne page over there call me a kind of name. Oh, me a beg. And me come on social media and tell people say me rich.
I already have the evidence. I have the evidence.
Oh, no lucky.
I have the evidence, Juliet. I have it.
Planka group supposed to come beg or whatever name we not call out here. In our secret. We are not luckier than me.
Let's start over, because she's gonna pull the planks in the conversation. Now 2 planks. Just go easy. Don't go too hard. Relax on herself. She's gonna dust out a lot of us over here. Well, not me, Ono, and the comments who drags her. Probably you was one of them who was dragging her yesterday, Eureka. And she's gonna drag you too. And you know. And me come on social media and tell people say me rich. And me this, and me that, and me over there beg. Oh, no lucky. If you don't think your phone a blood clot planka group supposed to come beg or whatever name we not call out here. In our secret. We are not luckier than me. Me telling her already say I pay begging me I do from now on. So I just have to keep on talking. I go and give her something to talk about. And see if that will stop me. Yeah. See if that will stop me. These bitches over there, these are the reject bitches when me sit on my page when me run off. All of them over trending drama. Over there write up things. Oh, no luckier than me. Can we get some likes, please? Can we please get some likes?
No. I don't think that me have money. I go on the same thing on the come on social media and put this millionaire things for the woman a yard. She never come on social media because say she a millionaire. I uno tell her, I uno call her that. She never come here and tell that. I uno put the name on her because uno try to put me down. I uno come. So because you know see me look always looking nice and always looking that. That's the way you think about me. Of course I'm a millionaire, bitches. I am a millionaire. Because I'm blessed and highly favored. What do you think? Me is a millionaire. As long as you have God and God favor over your life, you're a millionaire. As long as you know go scam people. Yeah. So you can't chat all you want. Oh, me did a big money for trip. I mean, come on, class, my supporter for support me. If you don't have it, don't fucking have it. You don't have it to give, shut your blood clot mouth. It's just like that. If you don't have it to give me, you don't have it to give me. What the fuck you are chat about? Yeah? You better me come out and ask me and go sell my pussy. Me not sell my pussy to get money like on bitches out there. Una sell my pussy to pay rent. I wanna give on a pussy to get man and I buy clothes and boot and man to buy man. Me come out here if me want extra little something put by my little trick. Me come out here and ask for me deserve it. Me now walk on and sell my pussy and buy clothes and boot and give man. This Valentine's Day I come now.